guys, today is Friday and we are currently taking the RCF out today, as you guys can see. Hope you guys are doing well. Also, I just want to thank you guys for almost 2,000 subscribers. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers. If this video puts a smile on your face, or if it's entertaining, or if you find yourself coming back to this channel quite often, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and please make sure to hit the like button on this video. All right, so as I was saying, we are cruising with the RCF, but boy, do I have a story to tell as to where I'm going, why I'm going there, and yeah, so I'm gonna just explain it right now. I was going through my bank account activity, and I realized that I had a good amount of money missing, right? And it wasn't me, it was not me. And so I was doing some more research, because I'm just trying to find out what on earth happened to my money. I traced the company that charged me, and it turned out to be a Taylor Swift concert. So essentially, guys, someone, I don't know how, but they got access to my bank account information, my specific bank account information. I'm not even talking about my card information, my actual account number and routing number, right? It's insane, right? So right now we are heading over to the bank to officially close my account and also create a new account. So yeah, so basically, guys, this is going to be a cruising video of me trying to get my life together. I was like, I'm gonna just take this bad, annoying opportunity and I'm gonna just turn it into something kind of positive. I'm gonna just turn it into a video. And that's how I looked at it. So I'm not really too mad it happened, even though it was a lot of money. Yeah, it just created another opportunity for me to create content. And if you are thinking, yo, why is his hair wet? It's because I just showered. I noticed something, right? If I run out of gas, I don't think I can put gas in my car because my cards do not work. I don't have access to any of my money. And we are here. So much traffic. I was only able to film those 2 clips of me having just enough space to kind of have fun. But kind of, right? But yo, I still can't believe, someone used, I'm gonna just tell you guys the amount they spent on my card. They spent $552.52 on one Taylor Swift ticket. What? Yo, guys, when I saw that, at first I was annoyed, right? Yeah, at first I was annoyed. Then when I figured out it was for a Taylor Swift concert, Taylor Swift, yo, I don't know if I was even annoyed at that point. I think I was just shocked. If you're gonna commit fraud, right? Well, why on a fucking concert for it? That's beyond me. That's crazy. But anyways, guys, we are here, and I'm gonna just handle this thing. Hopefully everything gets resolved. It'd be sad if I'm stuck here because I can't use my card to add gas. Apple Pay doesn't even work. If you guys are wondering, no, it doesn't work. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. So yeah, I gotta fix that. But I'm not too upset because, you know, there's always a bright side. You know, I was able to turn this into a drive. I really did enjoy this drive. This is a new environment for me. So yeah, it's pretty chill. I'll show you guys around, you know. So right now I'm in the parking lot. There's a ton of cars around. Yeah, trees and shit. Yay green, right? Yeah. Eesh. This is a mighty pathway we must create. I wonder if I could hop over. Shit. Okay, we did it. All right, it's time to walk. All right, we are walking. Let's go. And we are finally done. We handled business, but we have a bad thing, right? We have bad news, right? So you guys remember how I said that I can't use any of my cards? I don't have access to any of my accounts. I can't even pull out money if I wanted to, right? I can't even go to the store and get myself a drink, even though I'm thirsty as shit right now, because I don't have a bank card. So essentially, right, my old bank card, they had to also trash that. So right now I don't have anything. I got nothing. I don't have. So like right now, guys, if I was to hypothetically run out of gas right here, I'll be fucked. I'll be stranded. And I'm like about maybe 40 miles. Actually, that's cap. I'm like maybe like 20 miles from home. Since we can't go to Walmart anymore because, you know, there's no access, I'm gonna just go home. So hopefully there's no traffic going home, and I'm gonna try to capture some cool exhaust sounds and yeah, POV footage for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy. Not sure if anyone else appreciates whenever they see their car in the reflection. Yo, she looks so clean. I swear, it looks cleaner than in person sometimes. It's so interesting. Always stop and I take a look at these houses. Yo, this shit is pure motivation, honestly, right? Now, if you're not from New York, right, these houses probably look like normal houses, but me being from New York, these houses are fucking huge. All of these houses, as compared to like most houses in New York, are pretty big. And like all of these are worth well above $1 million also. So like, that's like some real motivation right there. It's a dog. It's a dog. Woof, woof. Sheesh. Yo, that's a clean ass. I think it's a S5, S6. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I don't know shit about all these, but it's clean though. I think it's a V8. I think, but this shit looks fire. I love it. What do you guys think? I think it's clean. But yeah, guys, up ahead of us is the highway. As you guys can see, there's some traffic going on. So I won't start recording until around this point in time. So I'll see you guys then. Never ever get tired of this car. I don't care. not sure if you guys heard that. Yo, this car is fucking popping. What the fuck are those horses? This ain't Texas. This is New York. This is another day of me forgetting that I own a V8. What's up, guys? And this is indeed another day. I'm pumping gas because I had someone Apple pay me some money. All right, Kat, this is where I say sorry. What? Nah, you have to accept it.
Nah.
How rude. Why? You have to accept my phone. What? I merged us.
Yo.
We are now all the way in the front now. I mean, that is how you're supposed to merge, you know? You're supposed to hammer it. Well, guys, I'm not gonna hold you. This car handles like a fucking dream. Wow. What do you think, Kat? She answers so fast. We did end up parking over at the parking lot over there. Well, now we are going over, I don't know if you guys can see, right? But across this, right? That's the city right there. We are going to take a little ferry to over there, that island over there.